Hello friends, today we will learn cx-supervisor programming, which is the omron scada. Here I have taken a P1 which is CF113. Now I have taken the timer. Okay, timer value is 100, and then I have given a pulse to it, and here I have taken binary increment data value given out, output. Okay, now go to cx-supervisor. Here I have a connected PLC. Here you go. Here modify, check it. I which have all given name new, which is given in cx supervisor cj2m setting CPU 33. Okay, which okay, and close it. Now here I have taken a text value from here. You can see it, and here I have taken it. Now selecting it, here I have display, select the display value and select the data. Data which is created from here point editor, and here I have created the data. You can create it like point name is given data, point type integer, minimum value 0, maximum value integer, input outputs, I got it, and then click on setup. Near new, which is the cx supervisor address is D100, and give the OK. Now close it. Now project, rebuild it. Yes, yes, yes. Okay, runtime. Okay, okay. Then click on run with cx simulator. cx simulator is coming. File name. Save. Yes. Desktop. Satisfied. Okay. Okay. Now browse. Satisfied. Select. Open. Click OK. Here's the event log. Communication started. You can see it server. Now minimize it. You can see it value is 0. Now go to here. Timer is started. The value will change 0 to 1. You can see it. Now I change the timer value to 25. Now you can see it how fast it will run here. Its value is 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, like this. And here I have given P1, which is timer value is D100, and this is turning off and on. This is up pulse, and this is the output value. In PLC you can see text value. Here I have put, then yes, PLC setup. Here point editor. You can take new shapes from here. You can add a clock, motor, fixer, omron devices, panels, pipes, power, safety, TS control valves, vehicles, wires and cables. Everything from here. You need to project and rebuild everything. You need to run. I have run with cx simulator. You can run with another things. Thanks for watching.